Hello, my friends. I want to talk about enjoying the ride. When I'm saying about ride, it's about anything we choose to do in our life. Really enjoy the process. Okay, what comes into my mind that I had an event, and in this event that I created in here with a friend, there were like many things to do, like to prepare and to post and talk with people and like buy these things and to plan what we want to do and so on. And based on my experience from the past, I say I'm gonna enjoy it. You know, I don't want to suffer from it. I want to make fun from the process, not only from the event itself. And I really notice it how I'm bringing to myself like, yeah, I'm enjoying this, I'm enjoying that. To find a way to enjoy it, to have fun. Then it was good. I enjoyed all the way, and also in the event I enjoyed, and it was super nice. Another thing, we can take it for all kind of habits that we want to do. The most classical one is doing sport, right? I saw some people like starting to do sport and they're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it, and they're like struggling and fighting with themselves and like really using all their power will. They hate it and they do it. And I know that probably in 1 month from now, they will not continue doing it. Okay? So we gotta find a way, even if it's sport, to find something that we enjoy. It could be that like we can have like create more motivation and enjoy. Just think like, oh, I'm gonna be so fit, and it makes us feel good and enjoy. It could be putting music, listening to podcasts. You can think about like 1 million things. But what I'm saying in the end, the goal is like to enjoy the process, to enjoy the time that we're doing this exercise, and then we're just having fun. We're enjoying the process, and the chances that we'll actually continue with this habit like increasing dramatically, because we like to do things that are fun for us. And it doesn't have to be like 100% fun. Okay, it can be also like 70% or 80%. You know what, not less than 80%. The minimum is 80%. Okay, so find a way just to make fun whatever you're doing. You're beautiful and loved exactly the way you are.